everyone, it's Karen with Happily Planning with Karen. How are you all? Today we are now going to draw the 3 winners to my giveaway. I'm so excited. We're going to be giving away a Wonderland 222 A6. We're going to be giving away a Hobonichi cousin Avec. Hi Jess! We're going to be giving away an Aura Estelle along with kits, covers and $15 DEK Designs credit. So, oh my word. Hi everyone. Oh, everyone's coming on board. Hi. I had such a hard time choosing the people to enter. I didn't know what to do. So I said I was going to choose 10 for each category, and there's a couple of them that I chose more than 10 because I just couldn't make the list any smaller. And what I've done is I've chosen fantastic comments, I've chosen new people to the channel, I've chosen people that have been with me from the start, I've chosen people who live in different countries because they always get missed out on giveaways. I've chosen someone who's done me the most fantastic poem. Yeah, people who aren't able to afford a planner, people who have got a few planners. I've tried to include everyone. So we're going to start with smallest planner to biggest. So the first one we're going to draw is the Wonderland 222 A6. But before we do, I'm just going to log back into my random number generator. And as you can see there, for this one, we've actually got 10 entries. And on here, I've got 11 to 99. Because I just want to press it now so you can see it's not programmed with anybody. It's all just like live as we're doing it. So over here, these are the 10 people that I've actually entered for the Wonderland 222 A6. So good luck everyone. So as you can see by the side, you've got a number 1 down to 10. And on my screen, I can see you, Tiffany. I bet you're having a little heart flutter at the moment. You're on my screen from comments. So what we're going to do now is over here. We're going to put, now if it gives us a reading before I'm ready, it will be null and void. So we're going to put 1 down and we're going to go to number 10. Why don't they make the numbers bigger to help us? So it's number 1 to 10. Oh my word, are you excited? So this is for the Wonderland 222 A6 along with the kits, the covers and the $15 DEK Designs credit. So let's find out. So let's count backwards. 3, 2, 1. The winner is number 2. And that is Lauren Calhoun. So you are the winner of the Wonderland 222 A6. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight it. As we're doing 3, I want to make sure I don't lose track. So that's the first one given away. Now we're going to do the draw for the Hobonichi cousin Avec. And there we are 1 down to 14. So who's going to win the Hobonichi cousin Avec, the cover, the kits and the $15 DEK Designs credits? So once again, if it does it and I haven't counted down, it will not count. So we're on 1 to 4. Do you know what? We're going to cancel it all out so there's not a low number in there now, because that wouldn't be fair, would it? Oh, and it doesn't want to do anything. So let's just put 88 to 140, because then, oh, it doesn't like to do this, does it? Let's put 114. Oh, there you go, 147. So if we just press randomise now, it's no one in the draw. So it's not a low number, because I want to make sure all the low numbers are just have such a chance as everyone. So now we're going to put it in 1 through to 14. So let's put 1, 4. So it's 1 to 14. And we have got 14 people here in the draw. So once again, 3, 2, 1. It's number 11. And number 11 is Biana Maldonado. I'm sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. So Maldonado, maybe, I'm sure. I'm so sorry if I've done it wrong. But you are the winner of the Hobonichi cousin Avec. So let's just put that on there. And thanks for everyone for bearing with me, for me having to extend it. We came back from Paris late last night. So that's the one. And now the Aura Estelle. For this one, I have got 13 people I have entered. So as you can see, those are all the names with all the numbers down the side. Who's going to win? Right, so let's do it again. Let's put this at a silly number to start with so that it's fair to everybody. So we do 800 to 990. And let's see who, because it's nobody. So it's now completely blank. Right. Are you all thinking of your number as I do this? So, who's going to be planning an Aura Estelle with me? Right, so then, let's have a look. Oh, they don't like, these iPads sometimes just don't want to work, do they? So, let's do it again. Ugh. Come on, Karen. If it does a number in the meantime, this will not count until I do my countdown. Did it want to do anything? No? Why does it not want to do anything? Oh, we're there. Crikey, you know when you're just about to throw it up the wall. So, we have got numbers 1 to 13 in there. We have got entries, 1 to 13 there. Right, you ready? Shall we do from 5? Shall we? Shall we count backwards? 5, 4, 3, 2.5, 2, 1. Let's find out. Number 8, and that is Kizzy G. And that's another Karen, so well done, Karen. You have won the Aura Estelle. And I will be sending everyone a message over on the YouTube comments. But thank you so much for everybody who's joined and who's entered and who's supported me all the while on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. And thank you ever so much. And I'll see you soon. I recorded 5 videos before I went to France and I didn't put any of them up because I had to do voiceovers. Oh my, how crazy was that? But thank you so much and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now. Bye.